Hi guys, this is the Java series part 77. Now let's discuss about how to read the content from the specified file using the file inbuilt class. In the last session we have discussed about how to create a file using the file inbuilt class, isn't it? Now with the help of the scanner class we can read the content from the specified file. First I import file class. File not found exception class. This is one of the inbuilt exception class. Next, scanner class that is present inside the utility package. Okay. And this is my class name, test file read. Okay. So inside this class I have created the main method. Now I am going to implement the exception handling by try and catch block. So inside the round brackets I give the file not found exception inbuilt class, and the variable for this class, whatever we want we give. Here I give FE. Okay. So now inside the try block, first I create the object for file class. Okay. File is the name of the class that is present inside the java.io package. Now I give the object name for file class, my object. Okay. And a new keyword. This is used to create the memory for this object during the execution of the program, and the parameterized constructor for file class. And inside the round brackets we have to mention the path of the file. Okay. Inside the double quotes D drive backslashes and AB. This is my text file name. And end of the statement semicolon. Okay. And I create the object for scanner. Okay. Scanner is the name of the class, and my reader. This is my object for scanner class, and a new keyword scanner. Inside the round brackets I pass the my object, that is the object for file class. Okay. I use the while loop. Okay. With the help of the while loop I try to read the content from the specified file. Okay. So this object holds the address for this file. Here I have passed the object into the scanner class. Okay. Now I am going to implement the while loop to read the content. Okay. While inside the round brackets we have to give the expression, isn't it? So here my reader dot has next line. Okay. So what is the role of this inbuilt method? This method checks whether the next line is present inside the specified file or not. Okay. If the line is present, means it returns the true Boolean value. If there is no line is present, means it returns the false boolean value. Okay, so inside this myReader object, we have passed the my object. This is the object for file class. Inside this object, we have this file, isn't it? So this method, whether the content is present inside the specified file or not. Okay, if it returns true, the content is present. If there is no content inside this file, means this method returns the false. Got it? Okay. And inside the while block, first I create the string object. String content. Okay. And here my reader. This is the object for the scanner class. Okay. Next line. This is one of the inbuilt method that is also present inside the scanner class. So here I have used the #next line inbuilt method that is also present inside the scanner class, and the next line, this is also one of the inbuilt methods that is also present inside the scanner class. Okay, so this method returns what? This method returns the line from the specified file. Okay, so that string will be stored inside this variable. Okay, content, its data type is string. Okay, so next line returns the string data type. Okay, and using the println method, now I try to print the content on my console. Okay. And this process is going on till this inbuilt method returns false. That means if there is no content is present, means this method returns false. If it returns false, means the while loop will be terminated. Okay, so all the content from the specified file will be printed on our console using this next line inbuilt method. This method is used to check whether the content is present inside the AB text file. Okay, this method is used to return the string, okay, from the specified file. Okay, and we have to close the scanner object in order to avoid the corruption of the opened file. Okay, so my reader is the object for scanner class, and close. If any error is occurred inside the try block, means catch block only responsible to handle the error which is raised inside the try block. The inbuilt error message will be stored inside this variable. Okay, now that value will be printed on our console using the println method. FE. That's it. I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. Okay, let me execute this one. So this is our output. Using the scanner class, we can read the content from the specified file. Go to the file and open inside the D drive AB. So this is our content. Okay, so I got this content. So inside the main method, I have created the object for file inbuilt class and a parameterized constructor I have used. So inside the round brackets, I have passed the path of the file. I have used the scanner class. This is the object for scanner, and I have used the scanner parameterized constructor. Okay, inside the round brackets, I passed the object for file class, and I have used the has next line inbuilt method that is present inside the scanner class, which is used to check whether the content is present inside the specified file or not. Okay, if it returns true means the control comes inside the while loop, and this is the variable. Here I have used the next line inbuilt method. This is also present inside the scanner class. Okay, so what is the role of the next line inbuilt method? This is used to read the line from the specified file that will be stored inside the content that will be printed on our console. And when this has next line inbuilt method returns false, the while loop will be terminated. After then, the scanner class will be closed using the close method. Okay, here we have used the inbuilt exception class. If any error is raised inside the try block, this will be used to handle the error. Okay, and the error message will be printed using the println method. Okay, so we got this output from this AB text file. Okay, we have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.